Hello. So in this video we will be talking about the importance of using surrogate keys with the slowly changing dimension type 2 while taking you through an easy example that will make it easy for you to understand the concept. So first, usually in our data warehousing projects we have the data in the OLTP format. Here I took two tables as an example. So the first one is the city, the second one is the customer. So here we have the customer with its ID and the city with its ID. So when we go through the star schema, we will create a dimension for customers and let's say a fact for the sales. So here in our customer dimension, if we use our business key, which is the same customer ID in here, as you see, if Alice changes city, it will keep the same business key. So that's why we will create a new column called the surrogate key, which is a unique identifier for each combination of customer and its city. And as a result, in our analytical project, here's what we got. So when we use the business key, usually it will take the last value, which is the current one, even for the transactions that have been made in the range of the old city. But when we use the surrogate key, we have the right city for each sale ID. So we will go through an SQL example. In our case, so first we will start by creating a table of the team customer. Here you will find the codes in the description below in the GitHub repo. So now we will insert the records into the team customer. If you see, so now we have Alice in Montreal, Bob in Quebec. Then we will update. So now Alice is not in Montreal anymore, so it's a date of the 5th of October. Now we will create a new record for the current city of Alice. So now Alice is in Toronto. Now we will create our fact table. So it's an empty table, as you see. Now we will create the records with the right surrogate key. Here the surrogate key, I chose them regarding to the logic, but when you are in a data warehouse project, you will usually implement an SQL or a Python logic to put the right surrogate key for each transaction. So now when we see the customer, you see there is 1 and 3, those two are for Alice, and the 2 is for Bob. So now when we create our final query for the selection, as you can see, so the transaction that has been made the 3rd of October was in Montreal for Alice, but the one that have been made in the 7th of October was in Toronto for the same customer. And that's why surrogate key are important.